Hello.
Hello, teacher.
My name is Teacher Alfie. What is your name?
My name is Ivy.
Good. Ivy, how old are you, Ivy?
I'm 5.
Good. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Very good. Now, Ivy, let's sit here, okay? So, now, Ivy, now let's talk about animals. What is it?
Is a monkey.
Good.
Is a tiger.
Mhm.
Is a elephant.
It's an elephant, yes.
Is a zebra.
Mhm.
Is a camel.
Wow.
Is a rhino.
Good job.
Is a giraffe.
Wow.
Is a hippo.
Mhm. Very good. Now let's talk about the letters and the sound of it, okay?
Yes.
Now let's have here.
Guitar.
Good.
Girl.
Mhm.
Horse. Hare.
Wow.
Ink. Iguana.
Wow, you did very well, Ivy. Give me high five for that. Goodbye, Ivy.
Bye, teacher.